Hey there and welcome to Matt's Garage. So this video is not specifically for any kind of a PT Cruiser repair, but what this is I wanted to put this video up there as a place where you guys can come and drop your question about your PT Cruiser in the comments, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm not always that quick at getting back to comments because I'm a busy person. But I do try to always help PT Cruiser owners with their issues. And I just want a place where, if I don't have a video that matches your problem or whatever, you can still come and comment on this video no matter what your problem is. And I can't promise you because, not everything can be diagnosed over the internet. And, sometimes there's more than one problem that can be associated with a symptom and whatever. But the more specific you are about your problem is more helpful. So also make sure to include details like what year of PT you have, whether it's turbo or non-turbo, whether it's automatic or manual. That sort of thing all help to narrow down the diagnosis. But basically, feel free to drop whatever questions you have about your PT Cruiser in the comments below, and this will also help out the channel. Because whenever you comment on a video, I'm not sure if you're aware of this, but it actually increases the ranking of that video, which is, it helps it be more visible on YouTube. So when somebody searches for help with their PT Cruiser, one of my videos will hopefully pop up, and I can hopefully assist them with that. It also helps that you're subscribed to the channel. The more subscribers I have, the more likes I have, the more views, and the longer people watch the videos. All those things affect the rankings of my videos, and I'm really trying to get these videos out there to help PT Cruiser owners all around the world with their problems. And so, like I say, whatever your problem, just drop it below. If I don't know the answer, I'm going to go to Google, I'm going to talk to friends, whatever, and see if I can get back to you with an answer. So sometimes it may not be an instant response, but I will do my best to get you the best answer possible and hopefully help you with your problems. So again, thanks a lot for watching Matt's Garage. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have yourself an awesome day.